Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter and delete specific rows in Power BI. If you've ever been stuck with data that's a little messy, or you just want to get rid of outdated or irrelevant information, you're in the right spot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean up your data set in Power BI, making your reports easier to read, more accurate, and a lot more powerful. Alright, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up Power BI on your computer. If you already have your report open, great, otherwise just launch Power BI Desktop and load up the file you want to clean. Now it can take a minute for large files to load, so don't worry if you see the loading symbol. This is a good time to make sure you're working on a copy of your dataset, just in case you want to go back to the original later. Once your data is open, you'll want to head over to the Data view. That's the little table icon over on the left, just beneath the report icon. Go ahead and click that. You should now see a preview of all your tables listed on the right, and when you click a table, the raw data will fill the main window. This is basically a spreadsheet view of the information Power BI is working with. Now let's actually start filtering. Power BI gives you a few ways to filter out rows, but the most robust way is through Power Query. To get there, look for the Transform Data button in the home ribbon at the top. It sometimes just says Transform if your window is narrow. Clicking this will launch Power Query, which is the tool Power BI uses for powerful data editing. Inside Power Query, you'll immediately see your dataset structured in columns and rows. Think of it like working in Excel, but with more muscle behind the scenes. To filter for specific rows, you can use the column dropdowns. That's the little arrow next to each column header. Let's say you want to remove all rows where the status is marked as inactive. Click on the dropdown for that column, uncheck inactive, and hit OK. Instantly, your view updates to show only the rows that meet your new criteria. Sometimes you might want to filter using multiple conditions. For example, maybe you want to keep only entries from this year and from a certain region. You can click the dropdown on each relevant column and set your filters. It's a lot like pouring your data through a series of sieves, each one catching something specific you don't want. But filtering doesn't delete anything just yet, it's just hiding the rows you're not interested in. If you want to permanently remove these filtered out rows, go up to the Home tab inside Power Query and click on Close and Apply. Think of this like sealing your changes in place. Power BI will now delete those rows from your working dataset, so only the filtered in data remains. Again, if this is a big dataset, give it a moment. Power BI is working behind the scenes to keep everything tidy. And that's all there is to it. You've now filtered and deleted specific rows in Power BI, helping you keep your reports clean and focused on what truly matters. If you got stuck on any step or if something looked different on your screen, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.